Iawn. 3 o'r gloch. Helen dwi. Croeso. Croeso nôl. Welcome back. Croeso nôl I 10 am 3. Diolch I Eiri, Gwyn ac Angharad am y fideos pasg. And if you haven't seen our Easter videos, I suggest you take a look to put a nice smile on our faces. Diolch, Eiri, Gwyn ac Angharad. Ond, heddiw, back to today. Gwers 10, dydd Mawrth. And as we haven't had a lesson for 4 dydd, maybe we'll do a bit of a recap. And we'll use one of the new words we had in Gwers 9, dydd Iau. Okay, so, chwarae, to play. Chwarae. Dwi'n chwarae. Dwi ddim yn chwarae. Question, wyt ti'n chwarae? Ydw, nac ydw. Teddy? Dyn ni'n chwarae? Dyn ni ddim yn chwarae. Question, dych chi'n chwarae? Ydyn, nac ydyn. And then at the end of last week, we started to learn to speak about other people. Firstly, she, mae hi. Mae hi'n chwarae gêm. O hi. Mae e'n chwarae gêm. Or yn y gogledd, in North Wales, mae o'n chwarae gêm. So just to dwell there a little, to recap, let's start using people's names rather than e, o, or he. Gwrandewch, have a listen. Gwrandewch. Mae Sian yn chwarae gêm. Mae Sian yn chwarae gêm. Mae Sian yn chwarae gêm. A chi? Mae Sian yn chwarae gêm. And you notice that the n is pronounced fully there. Mae e'n chwarae, mae o'n chwarae, mae hi'n chwarae. But because we don't have a vowel at the end of Sian, mae Sian yn chwarae. Mae Sian yn chwarae gêm. I'll give you an enw, a name. You put it in the sentence. Dafydd. Mae Dafydd yn chwarae gêm. Aled. Mae Aled yn chwarae gêm. Ffion. Mae Ffion yn chwarae gêm. Mam. Mae Mam yn chwarae gêm. Dad. Mae Dad yn chwarae gêm. And remember, if we can say Dad play a game, my Dad yn chwarae gêm, we can say so many other sentences as well. This is the art of learning a language, building. So, Dad is shopping. My Dad yn shopper. Dad is working. My Dad yn gweithio. Dad eats meat. My Dad yn bita cig. Okay, so let's move from saying something about a person to asking a question. Do you remember this card? We can say it's cold or she's cold. Exactly the same. Mae hi'n oer. Now there's a bit of a leap from mae to the question, which is ydi. 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 Try it. Ydi. So, gwrandewch. Ydi hi'n oer? Ydi hi'n oer? Ydi hi'n oer? A chi? Da iawn. Ydi hi'n oer? So, mae Teddy yn oer. Ydi e'n oer? Ydi e'n oer? A chi? Da iawn. Ydi e'n oer? Ydi Sian yn oer? Ydi Sian yn oer? Ydi Sian yn oer? Gwrandewch. Ydi e'n oer? Ydi hi'n oer? Ydi Sian yn oer? I'm going to give you some statements. Turn them into a question. Mae hi'n bita? Ydy hi'n bita? Mae e'n gweithio? Ydy e'n gweithio? Mae Sian yn siopa? Ydy Sian yn siopa? Mae hi'n chwarae gêm? Ydy hi'n chwarae gêm? Mae e'n yfed gwin? Ydy e'n yfed gwin? Mae Dafydd yn iawn. Ydy Dafydd yn iawn? Da iawn. Nawr, Helen dwi. Dwi'n dysgu Cymraeg. Dwi'n gweithio yn y cartre. But you don't know a lot more about me. So here's a chance to ask some questions about some members of my family. So, enw fy ngŵr yw Danny. My husband's name is Danny. And I want you to ask me some questions about him. Ask me, does he work? Ydy e'n gweithio? Ydy, mae e'n gweithio. Mae e'n actor. Ask me, does he drive? Ydy e'n gyrru? Ydy, mae e'n gyrru. Mae e'n gyrru Volvo. Ask me, does he eat meat? Ydy e'n bita cig? Ydy, mae e'n bita cig. Ask me, does he play rugby? Ydy e'n chwarae rygbi? Nac ydy. Mae e'n gwylio rygbi. Dim chwarae. Mae e'n gwylio rygbi. Ask me, does he watch Coronation Street? Ydy e'n gwylio Coronation Street? Nac ydy. Mae e'n gwylio Pobl y Cwm. So, 5 question. 3 answer ydy. Yes, he is. Yes, he does. Ydy e'n gyrru? Ydy. 2 ateb. 2 answer. 2 ateb. Nac ydy. No, he isn't. No, he doesn't. Ydy e'n gwylio Coronation Street? Nac ydy. Ydy? Nac ydy. Before we finish, ask me some questions about my daughter. Her name is Fleer. Ask me, does she work? Ydy hi'n gweithio? Ydy, mae hi'n gweithio. Ask me, does she drive? Ydy hi'n gyrru? Ydy, mae hi'n gyrru Chevrolet. Ask me, does she eat meat? Ydy hi'n bita cig? Ydy, mae hi'n bita cig. Ask me, does she play football? Ydy hi'n chwarae pêl-droed? Nac ydy. Ask me, does she watch Pobl y Cwm? Ydy hi'n gwylio Pobl y Cwm? Ydy, ac mae hi'n gwylio Netflix. Ydy, nac ydy. So, that's our new work for today. Your challenge is to think of 2 people, 2 berson. 1 male, 1 female, and write as many questions as you can about them. Answer them, ydy or nac ydy. And we'll go over this tomorrow. Before I leave you, remember to look at our website, learnwelsh.cymru, to have a look at these question and answers. And if you're learning Welsh with me for the first time, have a look also on our website, because we'll be starting some lessons online and online with a tutor in the week beginning May the 12th. So, Before I go, just answer me these questions. Ydy hi'n braf? Hopefully you all answered ydy. Ydy hi'n bwrw glaw? Nac ydy. Diolch yn fawr. See you tomorrow. Cymerwch ofal. Take care. Hwyl.